Let me show you how to download a video file from Google Drive. If you are in the folder view mode, like here, you can see the video file. Here's the icon. Just click those three dots for more actions and you will see the download as the second action on the list. After you click on that, you will have to wait. Usually the video is larger file, so nothing will happen for a few seconds, and here it is. Now it's downloading. If somebody send you a video file and it's kind of opening in the player like that, then search for the download button at the top right corner here. There should be a download button like this one, or if your screen is a bit small, you must click those three dots, more actions. It will be here in this menu. By default, it's popping out, but on smaller devices, it may be on the menu here. So just click the download button here, and again, you must wait few seconds before it starts. And here it is, it's downloading right now. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.